Welcome to the Captain's Blog. I'm David McDonough, Senior Vice President and founder of Flagship Wealth, powered by Trilogy. On this blog, we try to take what's unnecessarily complicated out there in Wall Street and sometimes DC and make it understandable to you on Main Street. Plus 3% last week, back to pre-Liberation Day levels. What's going on? Good, solid earnings from tech companies last week. The rumors of a recession are greatly over-exaggerated, in my opinion. Did the positivity continue this week? We just had the longest winning streak in over 20 years. Here's your week in review. The answer to that question is, well, we're flat for the week, and in my opinion, that is a win. What happened? Big this week was the Fed on Wednesday, holding interest rates steady, watching data dependent. Again, there is certainly uncertainty out there where it comes to where these tariffs are going. And the Fed did say this, yes, they'll be there, they'll lower rates when there is some clarity. We're of the opinion that they start cutting rates in June. And lastly, again, earnings this week. Corporations are continuing to show that their balance sheets are strong. There is growth in their forecasts, although their forecasts are cloudy. So again, market flat for the week. We'll take it. Here's what to look for next week. We'll continue to pay attention to the trade deals. On Friday today, announced that we have a deal with England, meetings with China over the weekend. Again, we're going to be susceptible to headline risk when you have a market, in my opinion, trading at the higher end of the trading range. But repeat after me, class, it is time in the market, not timing the market. Here's your personal finance tip of the week. We're going to mix it up this week. Instead of the tip of the week, we're going to give you the quote of the week from legendary investor Warren Buffett.
People have emotions, but you got to check them at the door when you invest.
So for those of you out there playing Captain's Blog bingo, time in the market, not timing the market. Timing the market is fool's gold, whack-a-mole. Everybody wins this week. So thanks again for checking in. We'll see you next week on the Captain's Blog.